Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, Cooking Time with Daniela. It's me again, Daniela Ukazi. We have Ukazi today. We are cooking Ukazi today. So come with me, please. We have snail on beef, cow skin, and a shaki. That's what we are using today for the Ukazi soup. We already washed it, a bit clean up properly. So I will leave it like this, no water yet, for a couple of minutes. Then I'll come back to see. I will be adding onions. Then I will add this little bit rosemary. This one is thyme and this one is bay leaf. I will just put them inside and let it boil a little bit before. Okay, so I'll be having someone here with me today, so let him come and introduce himself. So he will be cooking with me today. So what's your name?
Hello, my name is Great Afang.
Okay, so what are we here to do today?
We're making Ukazi soup.
Okay, do you like Ukazi soup?
Yes.
Okay, do you know how to cook Ukazi soup?
No, that's why I'm here.
Okay, so this is the next thing online now. You can put this. What is this?
I don't know.
Stockfish.
Oh.
Okay, you can put stockfish in. So the stockfish is also strong, so it takes time to done too. That's why we put it this time. So we'll be adding water now at this time. So you bring water, let's add water. Okay. Okay, you put the water in. Okay, then you will cover the pot now. We'll come back and check later. Good job. See, this is how the meat look like now. So we don't have enough water to. It's not done yet. So I will be adding water now. Just add this water for it to be done. So I will just add some. This is Maggi. I will just put some inside. This one. Any kind of Maggi you can use anyway. You don't have, for me, I use any kind one that is available for me to use. So any kind one that is available for you to use, you can use it. So I just boil this hot water. I will be putting the hot water inside this fish to wash it out. Yes, I'll wash it in a few minutes. This is the spinach I will be using. I'm supposed to use actually water leaf, but here in Canada we don't have water leaf all the time. It comes, but once in a while, not every time. So the one I went to Africa store, the one I find was the frozen one. I just think that instead of me using frozen as water leaf, I should just better use spinach. This spinach, because it's also fresh. Because the leaf I'm using, the Ukazi leaf I'm using, is a fresh one. I decided to just use this one. And I also like to wash spinach first before cutting them. On this case, I cut it first before washing it because I have something that I want to use to wash this, and I will be using a baking soda to wash it. That's why I want to cut it first before washing. So I have been putting the baking powder. This is teaspoon. I will just take half of teaspoon. Just mix it together. You can do it in either way. Either you have your own bowl of water ready, mix this one and put it inside the water, or you already put the spinach inside the water, then put this one inside. You soak it for 10 minutes, then you come back. I'm just going to wash the spinach out of the baking powder. The reason why I use the baking powder to soak it, because it's spinach and it's supposed to have that kind of texture of water leaf. For me to achieve that, so I had to put the baking powder to do all this. It still remains green. You can't wash the green out for it. As you can see, you see the it still remains green. You see how it look like now. It feel like water leaf if you let it sun. It will not be that 100% water leaf, but you can achieve what you want to achieve with it if you use the baking powder to do that. So I will take it out and put it on the filter. You have to raise it very well for the baking powder to be out of it, so you won't feel the taste in your soup too. You see, still green, not a change. Oh, okay, yeah, this is where we are now. Well, I will be adding the palm oil. Please do not let your palm oil to be too much, or any kind of oil, especially if you have some healthy issue. Yeah, so I don't eat too much of oil. Yeah, this one will be okay for me. Yeah, so Papa, you put this fish. Put them one by one. Okay. Just put it plate on the side. Okay. I will be putting these ones, the fish. Put this one there too. Remember when I was boiling the meat, I used this bay leaf. So when I don't cook the meat, I take the bay leaf out because I don't want the bay leaf to go inside the soup I am cooking. So that's the bay leaf there. You always remember to take yours out. So yeah, I'll be adding the pepper on this one. You want us to put all?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see how we go. This is what is this?
It's kind of crayfish.
Okay. So that is what he said. What is it? So what did you say is this again?
It's grinded crayfish.
Okay. Awesome. So yeah. That's it. Is the name funny? Not funny?
Yeah.
Okay. That's fine. So I will just leave that oil. The oil is a very good oil. That oil actually comes from Nigeria. It's a very good palm oil. So I don't have to put it long time, let it down long time before I use it, because it's direct from the village. It's village oil. So if you have those kind of smelling oil, you have to put it on time for the oil to properly cook. Because they have any stuff inside, they make it to like colored to make the oil red, so you won't get something from that one. So if you boil it with the water and the meat for a long time, so you will be good to go. But this one is actually really well. So yeah, thank you. Add this. What is it called, baby? What is soup you are cooking today? What is it called?
Ukazi soup.
Okay, so you mean this one is your Ukazi leaf that we just put inside now, right?
Yes.
Okay, what do we do to the Ukazi that make it be like this?
We added water to it.
We added water and then we do what?
We put baking soda in it.
We blend this one.
Oh.
We blend the Ukazi leaf. I usually pound it once in a while. If I pound it today and leave it in the fridge overnight, then I can cook it the next day. But on this particular one, because it's a very fresh Ukazi, I didn't pound it, I just blend it. I blend it. So yes, I will be adding the spinach in a moment. Let it full so you know how many spoons you have.
One. Two. Three.
Do you think that one will be okay?
Oh, yes. Four.
You can actually wait and test it first before adding more. But anyway, oh my goodness. Okay, you want to test it? To see if you need more.
I can find a way for it.
Okay, so we are adding this now. You are rushing to wash your hands. You're not done cooking yet. How did you run away from food?
You need to make sure that your hands are always clean.
That's true. Actually clean mine before coming. No, that one is already on the floor. You can't use it anymore. You can replace this.
Okay. Should I replace it?
Sure. So we don't have to wait for the spinach to just 100% done. The heat can actually cook. So, okay, I like it because it's kind of a little bit light. So, let me see. Yeah, we'll still be making a little bit of this. Is the seasoning that remains. I will just be putting the seasoning. And just one more tiny soup. After Oga himself added salt by himself. Yeah, so we actually done, because we don't have to let it stay more time. The smell alone is really good. So this is the end of the Ukazi soup. So I will show you more of when I dish it or how I eat it. Thank you.
Oh Lord, in the mighty name of Jesus, bless this food, oh Lord, and we thank you for the food you provided for us. In Jesus' name, amen.
It's very sweet.
Yes. So you cook with us now. So as you cook today, I know you will see that it's very sweet. So They will say you are among the people
Food is delicious
who
anyway.
keep the food that was not sweet. So, how about the pounded yam?
It's also very good.
Okay. So, for those people who are still thinking if this little guy here works, it does. It works. So, just to peel your fresh yam and little, just put them inside. You press the cook button. When it's done cooking, it pound for you. So I have it in stock. If you live in, let us know if you need some. Okay, guys, enjoy your food while I watch you guys eat.